Hi guys, so checked YouTube and I didn't see any video on this new Pittsburg 146 piece toolkit. I bought this to put in my truck. Thought I'll make a quick video, an unboxing video to show what's included and how it fares out. I haven't opened it yet. Okay, so here we go. I'm assuming this is the, I think this is the top side. A few things fell off. Let's see. I think this goes here. Yep. Okay. (9/16) should be right here. 5/8 should be right here. Half an inch should be right here. Okay. This is where its crescent wrench goes. Okay, it's chaos. (14 mm). This one is 5/16. Oh, right here. 8 mm. Finally 15 mm. I'm assuming this came out from here, so put that back. I don't know where these go yet. This is a 3/8" ratchet. Yeah. Not sure if it's 72 tooth ratchet or not, but I guess it will do the job. Okay. At least there are markings so you can read them. This is supposed to be 7/16. It's supposed to go there. This is supposed to be 5/16. Go here. Wait, another 5/16. Oh, it's right here. 9/32. 3/8. 3/16. 7/32. 11/32. 5/32. Cord wrench. Okay, locking plier. I'm assuming that goes somewhere out here. And then an extension, 3/8 extension right here. This is an adapter that goes from 3/8 to 1/4 inch for all of these 1/4 inch sockets right here. I think this set is metric, starts from 18, 17, 14, 13. This is 9. Okay, so that is 12. It's supposed to be 13, 12, 10. This is 10. We have 9. Then we have 8. That's 7. So there is supposed to be a 3. Oh, right here. 3/8 inch, 8 mm. One, and then for 1/4 inch, I have starts from 8 all the way till 4. Not continuous. I guess it is continuous for the 1/4 inch. So 6, 5, 8, 4, 4.5. This should be 5.5. Okay. So 4, 4.55, 5.56, 7, 8. That's all 1/4 inch size sockets. And then 3/8 you have start from 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18. So skipping few sizes in between. And for standard, it starts from 5/32 all the way till 11/32 for 1/4 inch, and for 3/8 inch it starts from 5/16 all the way to 3/4. Just don't know where these things go, so I have a bunch of stuff that fell out. What else do we have? We do have a nice level, handy. No, a hammer. It's not 16 ounce. I have to assume it's like 10 or even lighter, 8. And then screwdrivers. They feel good. So 2 Phillips and 2 flatheads, and then 1 open socket, or 2 small stubby ones. Some pliers, cutter pliers, standard needle nose pliers. Some smaller screwdrivers, Allen wrenches, and some plastic clamps. These not driver sockets, but I'm assuming it goes somewhere out here, maybe. I'll check the box. And a 16 feet tape measure. My goal is to put this in my truck. I highly recommend before putting it to spray some WD-40 on the tool so that they don't rust. I had a similar toolbox from Harbor Freight in my car, and they worked really well. The only problem is without WD-40 over time, these things will rust. So that's a quick unboxing and review video for this box. And I'll quickly show you the cover, and we'll see where does the nut drivers go. So I'll put those things together on the video as well. The nut drivers go there. So these are supposed to go here. Okay, like that. And all these are supposed to go at these ends. So like this. I feel like I'm missing something. Yep, there you go. Okay, so now everything is in place. This is how it's supposed to look when everything is in place, I guess. This is a review for the Pittsburg 146 piece toolbox. Thank you. Bye.